Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Untitled. Today I'll give you the amazing site. So first of all, I'll give you the site name is the site name is TRON So this is the amazing site. You can earn money home everywhere. First of all, you can put on the username, password, a number, email, then register. And also, guys, we will fill all information. Then I will tell the next step. So guys, we will log in the site. Now you can see this company giving me total balance as a reward 900.00 TRX. So guys, we have deposit, withdraw, share, friends, team, app, and guide. So guys, basic investment you can see 900.00, promotion 0.0 TRX, Justin Fund founder to Ron, Jackman Tron founder Justin and graduate from Alibaba, executive chairman Jack Main, Lakeside University, the program first millionaire graduate Mr. Sun went. So guys, you can see this, and you can see here Gobi Bintwand and Warren Edward Buffett and instant quartz. You can see TRX, Doggy, Etham, and BNB. So profit withdrawal live. You can see username, the percent live investment for this side. You can see this online here. Global partners at Tron, Doggy, Coinbase, and Etham, Bitman, Binance, Hubei, Tether, and Coinbase. So first of all, you can go to the. So guys, click the button of deposit. So guys, now you can see we have transfer to basic account, transfer to promotion account. There are two investment model. Please choose according to your needs. First of all, to transfer to the basic account. So guys, you can see this. We have BNB, TRX, Etham. We choose the TRX. So first of all, you copy the address and go to the Trust TRC20. So guys, here we are. Enter your address and enter your amount 50 TRX and continue the button. So guys, now you can see transfer amount. I will show you. Confirm the button and I will show you proof total deposit. So guys, now you can see this. So my 50 TRS completed to transfer my account. I will show you total amount. Before we have 900 TRS. After depositing 50 TRS, I will show you total amount. So guys, before 50 TRS, after back my side, then click the button submit successfully, then complete the button. So guys, before we have 900.00 TX, after depositing 9050.00 TX. The other section is how to get withdraw. Click the button withdraw here, and you can see this. We have 50 need and trade already 50 and daily withdraw 1 and number of withdraw 0 and allow withdraw 50 and minimum withdraw 1. So guys, daily withdraw time is democracy for 20 or 2 hours daily. So guys, back to the site and choose the button of minimum and investment section. You can see this 9.00.10.00 plus current rate where mining is running. You can see trading profit 24-hour settlement. The share link, if you want to then copy the link and send your friends and family members, they will get rewards many time. And you can see this view all, view home, and you can see this. The other section of the withdraw section, the other thing is you can see guide, app, transfer to basic account, team, and deposit. So guys, click the button of withdraw. Now you can see this, the close the button and withdraw here. First of all, you can setting your withdraw section. So guys, click the button of choose withdraw amount, add digital currency. You can see this, enter your wallet address and password setting, then confirm button, then continue the button. So guys, first of all, you can go to the TRC Tron address. So guys, here we are. Receive your address TRC20 TRC Tron. Here we are. Enter your address, enter your transaction password, then confirm password, then continue the button. So guys, we will done the settlement of choose withdraw method. Okay guys, now you can see this, then enter your amount. Okay, after then you can put on your password, then withdraw. So guys, the site giving some time for withdraw 24 hour, then you can get your TRX withdraw on your account. So guys, I will told you already all the things. This is the team section. You can see this, we have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 here, and click the button of invite friends. Invite your copy link and send your friends and family members. They will get rewards many time. And this is the trading center. You can see this, and this is the investment section. You can see this level VIP1, VIP2, VIP3, VIP4, VIP5, VIP6, VIP7, VIP8, VIP9, VIP10, and this is the current level VIP1, and deposit quantity 50%. Then deposit, and you can see this, and invite rewards. You can see this level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 here. So guys, this is the basic investment and cyclical investing. You can see this is the cycles of 10 days, 5 days, 15 days, 30 days, and 16, 80 days, and record here. So this is the amazing side. You can see this. We have transfer to basic, team have, and if you want to change password, this is the amazing side. You can earn money home and anywhere. If you have any training, if you have any problem, they will get solve your problem. Click the button headphone and through Telegram service here. So they solve you all the problems. So guys, see you in the next video. Take care. So guys, 24 hour is done. Click the button of mining and you can get receive button. Okay, 4.50 TRX in your account. So guys, click the button of withdraw. Now you can see we have withdraw balance 4.50. Choose your withdraw account digital, then enter your amount 4.50, then enter your password, payment password. I will show you live withdraw, then withdraw button. Okay guys, then you can get. So guys, now you can see my pending is 4.50 is withdraw record here. Now you can see we've done the record withdraw. So guys, I will show you proof my withdraw record. Okay guys, this is my I will show you some my proof of. So guys, click the button record, and now you can see this. We have successful 4.50 is TRX in my account. So guys, we will done the video record and deposit. Okay guys, so guys, this is my recharge record. Now you can see this 50 TRX successful. So guys, we will done this the withdraw and recharge section. Hope you are guys well. Take care. See you to the next project.